how to backup data to Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then here tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Now in here, tap on backup data in the Samsung Cloud section. Next, go down the list here and choose what you want to backup. Tap on the toggle button to simply turn off the backup of that particular item. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on backup now. And that's it. All your data should now be backed up to Samsung Cloud. If you swipe down at the top, it will also give you the information that your data is now being backed up to Samsung Cloud. And that's it. Once it's finished, you should see a checkbox right next to each of the items. And then finally, tap on the done button to finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.